Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best 9x13 cake pan. So let's get started. Number 7. Wilton Non-Stick 9x13-inch Pan. Ideal for the high temperatures of the oven, this pan can smartly bake anything you would like. Bake your delicious deep dish pizza, a tasty lasagna, or even loaves of bread or cakes. The material provides a non-stick base to the food, so you don't waste any material and later on scratch it off. The pan is also dishwasher friendly, however, it needs to be operated at medium temperatures only. The 9x13 pan also comes with a lightweight, transparent plastic lid so you can place and refrigerate your food just by closing the lid. Suitable for heating and cooling purposes, this pan is the top candidate of our 9x13 pan list, and you should go for it. Number 6. USA 9x13 Pan Bakeware. Made with original steel, this baking pan is ready to face some extreme temperatures. The USA 9x13 Bakeware pan is here to bake the perfect cakes for you while withstanding the hot oven temperatures all by itself. All you need is to pour your delicious baking mixture into these steel pans and wait for the uneven baking to take place. Made with aluminum, the material is 100% original and uniform to ensure your cake and pizza are baked equally throughout the length. The pan's depth ensures your cake has a soft spongy texture and enough to accommodate the whole batter without the fear of falling off when rising. Number 5. Pyrex Basics 9x13 Baking Dish. Almost there, making it to the 9x13 pan mark, this Pyrex Quart glass baking dish has dimensions of 13.2 inches by 8.9 inches. The reason for still adding it to our list? You will find out. Pyrex has been a name of style and strength when manufacturing a heat-resistant glass dish that can withstand high temperatures. This pan with a gorgeous rubber lid is the star of our list for many reasons. The airtight lid is sure to keep your food fresh for a more extended time, and even if you baked something that you need to refrigerate, just put on the lid and place it in the refrigerator. The oblong shape ensures it does not take up extra space and simple to lift and carry. Number 4. Fat Daddio's Sheet Cake Pan. An extra inch to provide deep dish baking. This pan is best for making deep dish pizzas and extra spongy cakes. If you are going for a taller cake, then this item is for you. Made with environmentally friendly material, this pan is an excellent option for baking cakes, brownies, large loaves of bread, and extra stuffed deep dish pizzas. With an experience of making the best baking pans for over 50 years, Fat Daddio's has gained popularity on its own. This item is made with a new scientific approach, anodizing aluminum, which makes the product durable, safe, healthy, and able to handle vital pH substances such as lemon juice and tomato sauce. Number 3. Nordic Ware Anniversary Bundt. We tested several Bundt pans and found that Nordic Ware takes the cake, so to speak. Use it for buns, of course, as well as recipes like monkey bread, and get the recipe. Number 2. USA Pan Bakeware Round Cake Pan. 9-inch round pans work for layer cakes, of course, but they're ideal for upside-down cakes with more room for the stacking and weaving of seasonal fruits. Try classic plum or pineapple, a beautiful lemon version, or mix it up with bumbleberry buttermilk, ginger pear, or maple apple. Number 1. round porcelain oven safe. Lastly, but certainly not least, is the pan that makes America's favorite cake. Petite and powerful, decadent and memorable, the molten chocolate cake has won the hearts of restaurant menus and dessert lovers alike. Jean-Georges von Gerichten pioneered the recipe, and it still stands as the best. All you need are those 6-ounce ramekins.